guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a try on clothing haul, and I have a good amount of things that I've collected over the past month, I'd say, and I'm really excited to show you guys. I have some festival pieces for the upcoming festival, Rolling Loud, that I'm attending, but today we're going to be filming a try-on clothing haul. So right now I'm filming the clothing haul portion of it, and then I'll be doing the try-on later. Sorry if I'm like antsy around. I'm like on this chair and I'm just like that. Yeah. We're just going to get on started. So, okay, so to start off, the first place I ordered things was from Pretty Little Thing. I don't have too many. I think I only have 3 little pieces, but they're cute either way, so I'm just going to show you. So the first outfit item is this white bodysuit. Of course it's a bodysuit, that's all I wear, and I like Pretty Little Thing with their white. They make sure to double line them so they're not as see-through. They still are, but if you wear nude you'll be fine, or just don't wear a bra, that's also just fine. This is a square neck long sleeve bodysuit, so really nice. The next one I wore for my birthday. It's a little hard to show up here, but it like looks like that. It's this white bodysuit also, but it has a cutout right here, so it shows the tummy a little bit. It is nice. Single strap. The last piece I got was this white and black long sleeve mock neck, or it's actually a turtleneck bodysuit. Of course, the only thing is that I ripped a little hole in the belly right there because my jeans got stuck in it. The zipper did and it tore it. But besides that, I love this and I wear it all the time. It's a nice staple piece, especially because snakeskin is in. So that's all from Pretty Little Thing. I'm stupid and forgot, but actually the last thing I got was from Pretty Little Thing is this halter neck wrap around, like it has a really long wrap around top with the O-ring in the center. It's like that. This is like a mimic of or knockoff of the IMG one. This one's really freaking nice, and I'm gonna be wearing this one to Rolling Loud probably. I want to wear it. I think that's gonna be so freaking cute. So then I shopped on Kill, and the first piece I got was this red leather fanny pack with silver detailing. It has nice chains to give that more edgy e-boy look. It's super cute, and I'm excited to wear this because I love fanny packs. Next is my clothing pieces. I bought this super neon, like yellow, is it yellow, neon lime green, yellow, long sleeve shirt. I thought it was a bodysuit, to be honest. Super neon, super fun, super fresh. Love that piece. The next piece I got was this red latex bodysuit. It's like stuffed. I think this is really nice. It has a nice like high cut out, so you know you could like have it out of your jeans. It's fun. I haven't worn this yet, but I'm excited to wear it. So the next piece I have, it's this super nice shirt. My parents are gonna be watching this and be like, what the hell is that? It's a shirt. It is a top. They're like, that's not. It's actually like a bralette, I'd say. But I'm super excited about it. Pink, triangles, squares, gold detailing. I was thinking of wearing it with this cool, like, I don't know what the word would be, like holographic, but it has a nice O-ring and the holographicness, and it's high-waisted. I got this long sleeve sheer mesh cheetah long sleeve regular. It's and cute. Then I got pants. These are from the Horoscope line. They're the half black, half white. When you flip it over, it's reversed. Nice straight leg flare type pants. I bought that, and I bought this shirt with it that I'm wearing. It's a nice mock neck, no sleeves shirt. Here it is. It's fun, it's fresh. Yeah, so that's everything I got from Skill. Okay, so then I found this like random Instagram, like online, like boutique called Loop Sona, L-U-P-S-O-N-A. So the first one I ordered was this black sheer star long oversized tee. I thought this would be cute with like, with just like over anything, literally like a bra, like a tube top and like shorts, and it's like instantly cute with like a belt. And then I bought this white star one, which I think is super cute. And this one's a crop top version. Super cute, so I'm really excited. Can't wait to wear these. The next place I bought stuff from was Sharen. I've never bought anything there from before, so I was a little scared, but let's just get right into it. So I bought these sunglasses. They're just yellow. They're cute. A nice cat's eye sunglasses. I also bought these tiny little red ones. These are very fragile. They feel cheap. They feel like they'll break any second. But I bought them, and these tiny little oval black ones. Then I bought 4 belts. The first belt I bought was, these were all really good priced, I'd say, so definitely worth it for what you pay. I got this brown cheetah one, gold detailing. Then I got this black one with silver detailing. It has a nice circle. It has this, which you can put on the side of you with just a nice big old O-ring. Attach more hoops, edge it up. That's super cute. Then I have the snake skin one. It's tan, it's nice, silver, it's cute, it's fun, it's fresh. And then another black one with gold detailing, and it has gold grommets. It has like one single grommet throughout. That one's really nice. This accessory I got from there was this chain, silver detailing chain, which you'll put at the side of your pants. This one has 3 and they're all different sizes. That's what's cute. Then I got these pants. The pants are definitely cheap. They're see-through, they're silver detailing, they're nice though. I'll put like leggings underneath and I'll be good. They fit pretty true to size, I'd say. Then this brown snakeskin shirt, it has a nice cutout right here. I got this long business coat. Half of it is black with pinstripes, the other half is gray. You could choose the different colors. I haven't worn this yet, but it's fun. We're just gonna be at this angle for a little bit because that sun is setting and it's pissing me off because you can't see me. But I got this black furry fanny pack from Forever 21. It was 12 bucks. It has gold detailing. It's huge. It has 2 pockets. This one's really nice. I'm really happy I got this. I haven't used it yet, but super cute. Can't wait to wear it. Then I got this sweater for probably like 12 bucks. Also, I wear this one literally every day. If I don't know what to wear, I'm wearing this. If it's cold, I'm wearing this. I've gotten a lot of compliments. You just like put it around you and it just like flails in the front, and the hood looks furry and soft. It's like Sherpa. Super nice. And then the last thing I got was this 2-piece set. It's actually not a set. Well, it is. It's matching, but you don't have to buy both. I just bought both because I was like, what's the freaking point? They're really cute. It's just black with the white cross stitching throughout. I really like this style. And the jacket just looks like this. I want to wear this little set. It's super cute, super fun. I want to shoot in it, be really cute. So I love that's all I got from Forever. So that's everything I got in this haul, this try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up and comment below some things you'd like to see. I have a lot more videos coming your way. Bye.